Not all coughs are created equal. Some are annoying and some are a medical emergency. Do you know the difference? Most childhood coughs come from simple colds that will go away on their own. But certain coughs and breathing signs should never be ignored. Get medical help right away if your child is breathing fast or looks like they cannot catch their breath, has a harsh, barky cough that sounds like a seal, has nostrils flaring or their head bobbing with every breath. You can see their ribs or collarbones pulling in while they breathe, makes unusual whistling or high pitched sounds when breathing in or out, or has a fever that lasts 48 hours or more with a cough. These signs can mean your child is working hard to breathe or has a lung infection, and that is an emergency. Here's the good news. After a regular cold, a cough can normally last 2 to 3 weeks. If none of those red flags are present, focus on comfort, fluids, rest, and close observation. Trust your instincts. If breathing looks hard, noisy, or different, don't wait. Get your child checked. Subscribe for more child health tips. Thank you.